So this 110 is just about ready to go for sandblasting. I had to do quite a bit of spectacular welding on this back cross member to get everything tied in tight. So what I ended up doing, because the cross member was already on, so I cut a slot in the back of the cross member and passed the plate through and then welded it both sides so it's nice and strong on the inside. Big plate at the top, big plate at the bottom, and a plate in the middle. Even though it's already been welded on, I wanted to box it in to stop the dirt getting in. Just a quick tip: if you're a good welder, if you're going to buy one of these cross members that hasn't got the extensions on, and you are a good welder, weld some tangs on first. Make some of your own extensions up, because they are a bugger to fit. If you can remember with this job, I'll put a little piece of video in here. Then you can understand it already had a box section welded in there. Well, I couldn't get it out without a lot of messing about. So if you're going to put one of these cross members on and yours is all rotten, get the ones with the extensions. They're so easy to fit. Well, relatively easy, but well worth it. So let's have a look around here, because this is, like I say, it's going to get ready for sandblasting. Now what I've done is, I've done something rather funky, because I've been asked to take the suspension off this truck so it doesn't get sandblasted, because it's just had All-Mix Terra Firma suspension fitted. But that gives us a good opportunity to look behind here and see what it's like first. So this is sort of going to be a before and after video. I've got the welding done underneath. Again, I've taken this front suspension off and everything. These pipes are a little bit stretched now. I've got the wheels on, but they'll be alright. It's only be for a minute or two. So let's have just a quick walk round and have a look at a before and after. So there you go. This has been seen on a few videos, and then we'll have a look and see what it's like in a couple of weeks' time, because we can't get it done for a couple of weeks. So anyway, so that's what it's like. Now I'm going to do something rather funky. I'm going to try and get it out with a forklift, but on the bump stops. Now this one hasn't got any bump stops off the back because they fell off, so I don't know what it's going to be like. In fact, I might just add a little bit onto that just out of interest. So there she is on her bump stops. Sits quite nice actually. In fact, to tell you the honest truth, it looks kind of cool. A lot better than higher. At least you can get into it. So there we go. Let's see what it looks like when it comes back from the sandblasters. So we're taking it in 2 weeks' time. So it'll be about there for maybe a week, I don't know. So 3 weeks. So I'll load this video up now, and then you can have a look and see what this is like. Going to be interesting. So like I say, I took all the bumpers off. I took as much stuff off as I could, so the blaster can get into it, because these bits are really tricky to get into and make a good job. And I know it does do a good job, I must admit. But once it's blasted, it will need waxing. So as soon as we get the engine back in, all the mechanical stuff, we'll wax it. So, making this Land Rover better. Let's wait and see. Talk to you later.